Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate using only cocoa powder. Combine 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa, 2 tablespoons sugar, and a pinch of salt in a small bowl. Then whisk in a few tablespoons of hot water to make a smooth paste. Warm 1 cup milk gently, whisk in the paste until fully combined, and serve topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dollop of whipped cream. Learn how to adjust sweetness, thickness, and milk choice for perfect hot chocolate every time. Taste and add sugar gradually, aiming for balance, and consider milk alternatives like oat or almond for creaminess. For thicker hot chocolate, reduce milk slightly or add an extra teaspoon of cocoa, whisking well to avoid lumps. Finish with a tiny pinch of salt to enhance flavor, and stir vigorously for a silky, rich cup ready to enjoy. Explore easy variations to keep this cocoa powder method exciting and flexible. Add a dash of vanilla or 25% more cocoa for a bolder chocolate flavor, or a sprinkle of cinnamon and a pinch of chili for warmth and complexity. For a frothy top, froth 2 tablespoons of milk separately and spoon it over the hot chocolate, or blend briefly for a creamy texture. Serve in a warmed mug for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.